Hey everyone! Welcome back to Real Talk English, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally and confidently in everyday life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Lisa. And today, we're diving into one of the most common questions English learners ask: how do I train my brain and my mouth to actually speak English fluently?
Oh yes, we hear that all the time. You understand English, you can read and write, but when it's time to speak, your brain freezes or your tongue forgets what to do.
Exactly. So today, we'll help you fix that, step by step. Let's start with your brain first, because confident speaking begins in your mind.
Alright, so before words come out of your mouth, they're formed in your brain. The secret is to stop translating from your native language.
Right. Translating takes time. That's why you pause before speaking. So the goal is to think directly in English, even for simple things.
Here's how. 1. Start small. Think in short sentences. Like, I'm brushing my teeth or it's hot today. 2. Label what you see: cup, chair, window, phone. 3. Talk to yourself in your mind as you move through the day.
Yes. Like a mini English narrator in your head. When I was learning French, I used to say things like, I'm walking to the bus, I'm opening the door. It really helps.
Exactly. Your goal isn't perfection, it's habit. The more you live in English, the more natural speaking will feel later.
Now let's talk about your mouth, your muscles. If you want to sound natural, you have to train your mouth to move the English way.
And yes, that sounds funny, but it's true. Think of English like a workout. You need to build muscle memory for speaking.
So, here are our favorite exercises. 1. Shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and copy them word for word, same speed, same tone, same emotion. You can use a podcast like this one, or your favorite movie scene.
Number 2. Record yourself. Read something out loud, record it, and listen again. At first, it might sound weird, we've all been there, but it helps you catch small mistakes.
Number 3. Practice rhythm and stress. English has a music-like rhythm. We stress the important words. I really love this song. This coffee is amazing. Try it, it changes your speaking energy.
And finally, tongue twisters. Like, she sells seashells by the seashore. Or, red lorry, yellow lorry. Fun, fast, and super effective for pronunciation practice.
Alright, now let's put the two together. Here's a simple 5-minute daily exercise you can do anywhere.
Step 1. Pick one topic, like my morning routine. Step 2. Think about it only in English for 1 minute. Step 3. Speak about it out loud for 2 minutes. Then listen to yourself and repeat.
That's right. If you do this every day, you'll notice a big difference in just a few weeks. Your brain and mouth will start working together automatically.
Okay, before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips. Number 1. Don't chase perfect grammar. Communication comes first. Number 2. Speak every day, even if you're alone. Talk to yourself in the mirror or while walking. You're your best practice partner. Number 3. Watch English shows with subtitles only if you need them. Try listening first, then check the subtitles later. And number 4. Find a speaking buddy online. Join a language exchange or a speaking club. Real conversation is the best practice.
Here's the truth: fluency isn't about talent. It's about training. Just like an athlete trains their body, you're training your mind and mouth to move in English. So be patient, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you speak, you're getting better, even if you don't feel it yet.
Thanks for listening to Real Talk English. If you enjoyed this episode, follow the podcast and share it with your friends.
And remember, the more you speak, the more confident you become. Keep talking, keep learning, and keep shining.